Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. Judiciously scrutinized, and he will feel that he has no case and he will not proceed ahead. Stop. But when he suspends 1 year or 2 years before the adjudicating authority, he knows, and the Honorable Minister would also agree with me, that by and large the tendency is to uphold the order of the lower authorities, howsoever wrong, illegal, improper, and malafide that order may be. Stop. That is the tendency, and ultimately, when a judicial scrutiny is held, that order is set aside, and the result is colossal loss, which the railways are called upon to bear on account of their wrong policies. Stop. Therefore, my suggestion would be that it is high time to consider that the railway administration gave every worker a forum where he can seek the redress of his grievances without much time being consumed in between, and in much time being consumed in between, and in that way it will be beneficial both to the workers and to the railway administration, and therefore this should be done. Stop. This is one of my suggestions. Stanza. Secondly, sir, even though the railway administration has now taken a decision that all those who had participated in the strike but were not responsible for any sort of violent activities or sabotage or intimidation should be taken back in employment. Stop. I can say without being contradicted now that there are today hundreds of workers who have been removed from work and there is no charge against them, and that they have not done anything that would amount to intimidation or anything that would amount to doing something violent or involving violent action, but still they have not been taken in employment. Stop. I have myself represented some of the cases. Stop. I cannot understand why they have not been taken in employment. Stop. And therefore in all such cases there has been inordinate delay in taking them back. Stop. The railway board should now examine and find out who is responsible for the delay in the disposal of these cases. Stop. That is the responsibility of the railway board and of the general managers or the zonal managers or the divisional managers. Stop. Whosoever were entrusted with the work of supervising the cases and taking appropriate action, and if they have committed lapses, they should be dealt with so that such a delay on the part of the railway administration would not be repeated. Stop. Then I may point out that in respect of the scheduled castes there has been discrimination. Stop. If an inquiry is held, it would be seen that the scheduled caste employees have been discriminated against. Stop. They were removed from service though they did not participate in the strike or